Hi, good afternoon, Pag-ibig Team. Today is February 21, 2017. This is Ravi reporting Calamba Update today. So ngayon, kaninang umaga po, nagkaroon po kami ng projection na 160,000 at tatlong curing. And today, nagkaroon po kami ng collection in total 168,356.55. And nahigitan po namin yung curing namin na projection, which is 5 po yung naging cured namin today. And then meron din po kami on-call field, which is ang naka-assign po ay si Mr. Mark Jojo Ribo. And then ang highlight po sa collection today ay wala pong iba kundi si Mr. Francis De La Cruz. Palakpakan naman natin, Pag-ibig Team. So that's the update for today. So see you tomorrow, Pag-ibig Team. Salamat.